Scooter of the week, yeah.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am your host Greg, and again this week I am switching it up. I'm doing a power chair, and this is another one by WHILL. I did the WHILL C2 power chair last week. This week it's the WHILL's Model F power chair. This is a folding power chair. All right, so let's get into the details. I want to go over the colors first. As WHILL does, you have many options to customize these to your favorite color. Not as many colors as the C2, but still a good choice of colors. We've got the white, we've got black, we've got red, light blue, and light green. So again, you can customize this, kind of to your liking as far as colors go. This power chair, it's actually amazing how it folds. It folds in less than 3 seconds. I mean, it's literally just click, fold, you're done. It weighs less than 53 pounds. Which is not bad for, the size of this thing. Again, WHILL has bigger, I don't want to say bigger, I just did, but they look heavier, I guess is what I'm trying to say. They look heavier than they actually are. So less than 53 pounds. You've got a 30.7 inch turning radius, which you don't need much room, to turn around with this Model F. What else we have? 250 pound weight capacity and a 12.4 mile per charge driving range. That's a huge driving range. WHILL is up to date with technology. I mean, the way I describe WHILL products, they're like the Tesla of scooters and power chairs. They really are. They're just very advanced. We've got a 3.7 mile per hour top speed on this, not as quick as the C2. This is a little smaller than the C2, so again, that speed, it's plenty fast. So yeah, I mean, it's really everything you need in a travel style power chair. These are great for, the airlines, the planes, the buses, trains, the trunk of your car, and all of that good stuff. So if you have any questions regarding the WHILL Model F or anything else, give AutoMobility Store a call, 1-800-431-3183.